Amaqembu angaphezulu kwama-20 okugxilwe kuwo emkhakheni engaphansi kwe-G20 TEC20 ahlangene ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje ukuze ahlangane abe ngamaqembu aqokiwe. Lokhu kwenzeka njengesikhathi iNingizimu Afrika imenyezelwe njengezosingatha ingqungquthela ye-G20 ezayo. I-TEC20 ithi umnotho wasemalokishini unomthelela omkhulu ekuthuthukisweni komnotho wezwe, ngakho-ke kufanele wamukelwe ngokufanele.
Sekhuthazwa osomabhizinisi abancane ukuba basukume bayibambe ishisa emalokishini abahlala kuwo ukuze begqamise isigqi sabo. Lokhu kushiwo namhlanje ngenkathi kuhlangene amaqembu osomabhizinisi ngaphansi kwe-Township Economy 20.
We're here today as the plenary for the G20. We've got what we call the G20 Township 20 Working Committee that is looking at all the working streams of the township economy. And then we're also setting up what we call the Township 20 focus groups. We've identified 20 plus townships, the biggest townships in the country, that will be part of the work that we're doing, but also we've identified 20 plus working stream, and then we're identifying each country and link it with those townships and link it with those working streams.
Kusenjalo ngusekela mengameli we-TEC20 uthi-ke kulo mhlangano bafuna ukuhlanganisa ngemkhakha ukuze bazocobelelana ngolwazi.
We have established that as we are doing a summit of G20 summit, and then now as TEC G20, which is now Township Economic Commission in the G20 Council, what we're saying out of the groups as is created, it's 20 groups that are going to look at all the sectors, in all the different sectors, like automotive, construction, tourism, etc., which is what is happening in the township in terms of the township businesses, because township have got all the sectors that are in business, and then we've got entrepreneurs that are also in business.
Eseyigoqa ke ngumqondisi ubeke kanjena.
We know ukuthi sinama industries are different, so they are breaking now into different teams whereby kune tourism, kune financial, and all the teams. So we want to make sure that all the sectors are covered. So today we have all the sectors that are being covered, because as a TEC G20 we want to make sure that everybody is covered, and even the people abazayo from ngaphandle siyazi ukuthi if kune tourism sizobafocusela ku-tourism.
I-G20 Summit izobanjelwa okokuqala nqa kwelakuleli njengoba iNingizimu Afrika iqokwe njengezwe elizoyingamela. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga